Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Those who are watching me for the first time, let me introduce. I am Shomi and I do videos on makeup, skincare, fashion and more. Please click on the subscribe button and join my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Want people to notice your smile? No one denies the beauty of lipsticks. With the right color of lipstick, you can change your entire appearance. We need at least one go-to shade. Still, in the era of face masks, lipstick remains favorite in most women's list. MAC is a leading name in lipstick. As we cannot try every shade of any primary color, today I have picked up my favorite shades of basic colors from MAC. My list comprises shades from pink, orange, red, maroon, violet, coral, and they are of mixed texture, cream, matte, liquid, and so on. This one is amplified lipstick, an ultra creamy formula with a smooth glide. This orange shade gives bold, colorful coverage and semi-lustrous finish. MAC has called it as loudmouth orange. Now this is a bold and bright orange shade in semi-lustrous finish. This is perfect for summer days, but there is no hard and fast rule that we cannot wear it in winter. The color is super pigmented and it gives a full coverage, but as this is creamy, so it is not smudge proof. So you may require reapplication, and this is easy to remove with any cream or cleansing milk. Today I am not going to tell anything about any shade, that this shade is suitable for fair skin tone or medium skin tone or dark skin tone, because I personally don't believe in that. If you are okay with a shade, you are feeling comfortable what you are wearing, then that shade is perfectly okay for you. Go with that shade. I do in the same way. If I feel that I am looking good in the shade, then I pick up that shade, and I hope you will do the same. This one is matte lipstick, one of their best seller. A creamy, rich formula with high color payoff in a no shine matte finish. Color is intense reddish burgundy. This high color comes under shade Berry. This is a no shine matte lipstick. As of now I can see a little shine, but it will go away with time. This is very rich color and it goes perfect for evening gorgeous look. This is less transferable and may not require reapplication for quite some time, and yes, it's easy to remove. Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color is a liquid lipstick that provides a rush of pigment-soaked color in a velvety mattest matte finish. Now the applicator is quite impressive. It has a pointy tip which helps to give a clean shape. You may not need a lip liner separately. A hole in middle is good to hold adequate amount of product. Color is light bubblegum pink. This is quite dry and I found some cracking after it dried down. Now this is a shade for which I need a full proper makeup to carry. To carry this color, I need to apply each and everything from a primer to foundation, concealer, highlighter and so on, everything. This may not be a very easy to go shade for me. I need to prep and prime my lips also properly, but I just love this shade, so I picked up, and I love to wear this shade on special occasions. no, this shade is not going with this look. I'll add a little color. Now I like it.
This liquid lip color requires a good makeup remover to be removed. And I would definitely not suggest everyone to go for this shade. If you genuinely love this shade, then only please go for this shade. It's not a very easy to go shade.
Tropic Tronic is creamy, rich, no shine matte lipstick, same as Diva. Shade is full power coral from range Orange. I found the color really soothing and sweet. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share the video.
This is a very beautiful coral shade. This is one of my favorites, and you can actually wear it every day. It has touch of orange, pink with a very slight red.
Recollection is also from range Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's a very uncommon bold color with velvety mattest matte finish. Whenever I wear this, people around me ask about the shade. The color is beautiful, but I haven't found it easy to glide if not moisturized beforehand. Ruby You is another best seller from MAC. This retro matte lipstick has a long wearing formula with intense color and it's completely matte finish. Color is vivid blue red, it's totally smudge proof. I have reviewed this lipstick in detail in my red lipstick video. Please check it out. You will find the link on the top right corner and in the description box. So this is my pick from Primary Possible Shades. I tried to gather it at one place. Hope you liked it and it will help you. See you soon. Stay tuned with me.